Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you're new, it's Sahara. So today's video is going to be a beauty haul and also what is in my first aid kit bag, travel on the go bag. The first thing I'm going to start with is the beauty haul because I feel like more people would rather see that over what's in my first aid bag. I think it was last year I did a video that was like what's in my survival kit backpack. It was like some type of army backpack or something like that, and I will link that down below if you guys want to see that because it's kind of like this. Starting with the beauty haul, we could like work our way down, so like hair stuff first. And in my other video I used the Eco Style gel. This is the black castor and flaxseed oil. So I really like this gel. The thing is it's really good for curly hair, like applying it through your hair, defining your hair, making it look shiny, making it smell good, but it does not have a good hold to it for some reason. So if I go to slick down my hair, no matter what, whether it's my curly hair, it won't stay slicked down. And then if I try to slick down my straight hair, which I did in another video, it curls up. So I don't understand why it doesn't have a good hold to it. And it says max hold on 10. Max hold 10, but I mean it's still pretty good. So when I went to Target, by the way, I got this at Walmart. It was like $3.75, something like that. Pretty cheap, decent price. So I went to Target and I seen that they had this huge one for $6. So I got this, and this is the size difference. I always see people with their curly natural hair here on YouTube using the big one because obviously with curly hair it takes a lot of product. I mean, it is expensive to have your natural hair. These were at the Dollar Tree, so I seen these bobby pins, 72 of them, had to pick them up. And then I came across these scrunchies, and these look I'm gonna have to get a chair that does not squeak because this is annoying. This is these scrunchies and I love these so much. Like, do you guys see the design on them? They're like that chain type of design. I have a dress that's similar to this. It was a pretty little thing dress that I wore. I'll insert it here. I wore it with a Calvin Klein bag and it reminded me of this, and I love this design. It's so pretty, and I love scrunchies too because scrunchies don't like really rip out your hair and they don't leave that line in your hair like some other, I don't know if you guys can see that line. I also came across this brand called Sophie. It's a new brand at the Dollar Tree for their hair products, and of course they have these hair ties that I was just mentioning. These hair ties do pull out your hair, but of course they're still needed depending on what you're doing. Like I did a look where I had to use this and I couldn't use a scrunchie. And Sophie also has these right here. These are little thin hair ties, and I really love these, especially if you tie your hair on the ends. You don't want to use something thick like this because it'll just fall down. And then, oh, by the way, that's how it looks. And then they have these right here, which I was intrigued by these because they are a soft touch velvet hair tie. So this is how it looks. It is a velvet material. You won't be able to see it to know it, but it is. If you've ever touched velvet, smooth, soft materials, you'll know that that's how it feels. It's like, I wonder how that works in the hair. Will it pull out the hair? I'm pretty sure it wouldn't be as bad as these. It looks like a higher quality brand than most. I mean, it's hair tie, so it ain't that big of a deal. The next hair products, and the last hair products that I'm going to be mentioning, these are 2 dry shampoos. Now I love using what is that dry shampoo that I always use? I don't have any more of it, so, and I haven't had dry shampoo in a while because I've had my hair curly for like a month now until I just straightened it, so I didn't need to buy another one, and I forgot the name of the brand. This is the Herbal Essence dry shampoo. This is the Revitalized dry shampoo. And then this one is the Dove Refresh Plus Care Fresh Coconut. Now these both smell so good. This one smells better, the Dove Refresh Plus Care, because it has that fresh coconut scent and it smells so good. I'm definitely gonna pick up a big one of these. But oh, by the way, I got these at the Family Dollar, not the Dollar Tree, so the Family Dollar. But Herbal Essence, for some reason the Herbal Essence brand does not work in my hair at all. I don't know if I'm the only one that experiences that, but I've tried the Herbal Essence shampoo, conditioner. I think I've tried like some hair oil, and I also tried a couple of their dry shampoos. This is not the first one, and they just don't work in my hair. My hair just looks and feels dry, brittle, and it just does not feel clean when I use Herbal Essence. So is it herbal or herbal? I don't know how you pronounce it. I've always heard the commercials say Herbal Essence, so I don't know. But anyways, it looks herbal. This works really good and it smells good, and you would be surprised because I feel like most of Dove's products dry my skin out. So to see that dry shampoo not like really dry it out, like I said, we're gonna work our way down from the hair to the face to the body. So the next products I got for the face, I actually got these at a discount store. So these are eyebrow razors and bikini line trimmers. I do not use them for the bikini. I cannot imagine how that would even feel. But I use these to shave my face and get rid of dead skin, get rid of peach fuzz, and I also use these to cut my eyebrows. I did a whole video on how I use these razors and I really love them, so I had to pick up 2 packs. These are $1 each. I know they had like the small ones at Walmart one time, and it's scratched up my face so bad, so I have to use these long ones. This is the Dove Men Plus Care Extra Fresh Invigorating Formula 1/4 Moisturizing Cream Body and Face Bar. So this is how it looks. It works so good. Like, I was actually surprised. So I found this at the Dollar Tree, by the way. When I seen that it said Dove, I had to try it, but it says Dove right here too. I only use this on the face as a cleanser, and I was actually surprised to see how well it worked. It really cleanses the skin. It makes it feel moisturizing because I guess it says it has that 1/4 moisturizing cream in it. So my skin does feel moisturized and hydrated. It does not dry out my skin at all. My skin does not have like acne bumps. It doesn't feel itchy, which again I was pretty shocked because it is more of a men's product, and you know men's products can be harsher on women's skin. In my other video, I did a shop my stash video and I used these products. So these were the 2 Maybelline lifter glosses that I really like, and this was the CoverGirl True Super Stunner. I got both of these at Target, so these are their new glosses. This has been around for a while. I'm not going to spend too much time on this because I did already do a review on these. So in that video I used 008 Stone, which is more of like that sheer gloss with a little bit of a tint to it. So in this video for lipstick, I'm wearing the MAC Cosmetics Splice lip liner and also the L'Oreal Paris brown lip liner, and then for lipstick I'm wearing the MAC Cosmetics Whirl lipstick. On top of that, for lip gloss I'm wearing the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade 007 Amber. This is that one that I didn't want to wear because it's more of like that pigmented lip gloss that's almost like a lipstick because it has that pigmentation to it like a lipstick. So I'm actually wearing it today on top of the other products that I just told you guys about, and I love how it looks. Alright, so I went to Walmart a couple of days after I recorded this video, and I picked up another one of those Maybelline Lifter glosses, this time in the shade 002 Ice. And then also one of the new Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipsticks in the shade 270 Coco Connoisseur, something like that. I don't know how to pronounce that. But I'm going to do a swatch of the Lifter Gloss. Now, it is more of a light pinky tone. It has a little bit of shimmer to it, like a pink and purple shimmer to it, but it's not like noticeable when you put it on. It just gives a nice shiny glossy effect. I'm going to swatch the liquid lipstick next. This is the applicator. It is like a doe foot applicator. Not like a doe foot, but like a flat, pointy applicator with a little bit of a dent in the middle of it. And it is more of a brick red shade, meaning like it's more of like a brownish red. Beautiful, very perfect for fall. I did apply it to the lips and it's not drying, but it's supposed to dry down because it's a liquid lipstick, but it does stay a little bit sticky. I'll do a look in my next video using both of these lip products, and then we can review and test them out then. Now for the body part, I picked up these three body washes. I seen these at the Dollar Tree. My eyes went right to the fact that it was Nivea at the Dollar Tree. So these are the new Nivea Foaming Silk Mousse Body Wash. vanilla caramel. This is the soft and silky skin and vanilla and caramel scent. So the scent smells really good. Now as for it being a foaming body wash, I feel like this is just not that good. What it is that when you put it on your skin, you have to wet your skin, turn the water off, put the foam on, put a lot on by the way, because you have to use a lot of this. Like a lot comes out, but you really have to use a lot of this to get the full effect of like a regular body wash. So you have to wet your skin, put it on your skin. Don't let any water touch your skin after that, because it will completely disappear and you won't have any foam on you, any suds. So I don't know how I feel about this. You really have to, like, it takes a little bit more effort and work to get this to work, which is absolutely ridiculous. I'd rather just have a regular liquid body wash. Yeah, it's a no for me. It's a miss, but it still smells pretty good, and I feel like something like this would be perfect for on the go. Not the size of it because it's huge, but it would be perfect for on the go, like if you need to wash up, if you need to do anything by the sink in the shower. I'm gonna continue to use that, and after it's gone, it's gone. The thing I got is another thing that I've seen at the Dollar Tree as well. This is the new St. Ives cleansing. Now I don't know if any of this stuff is new, it just says new in the corner, so I'm just saying it. The new St. Ives cleansing stick, cactus water and hibiscus, instantly hydrates and softens your skin as you cleanse. This is something, you have to twist it off. This is something that reminds me of that foaming body wash. This is a stick thing where it doesn't really, by the way, it smells like a little bit of hibiscus and like shea butter. So this right here is something that I feel like you should, something that's on the go. You should just use it if you're by the sink and stuff and you need something to rub on you and cleanse your skin. This is what this is. It's definitely not really working out in the shower too much, and it takes a lot more work, so it's another no for me, but still it's what I picked up. And then the last things that I seen at the Dollar Tree, and that are in this haul by the way, I don't see anything else. So I bought 3 of these. I have 2 of the Dove, and like I said, this is the Dove Men Plus Care line. So these are dry sprays, deodorant, clean comfort, non-irritant formula, 48-hour protection. These smell so good. They have a clean, fresh scent to them, a little bit stronger because obviously it's from the men's line. I'm telling you guys, only men's deodorant works on me. Anything else that has to do with women's stuff, women's perfume, deodorant, all that stuff, it will last less than 10 minutes and then disappear like you never put it on. And this is so good. I really like them, and they last a long time. Deodorants and women's don't last itself, and then try a women's spray and think that's gonna last. No, it doesn't. But the men's, not bad at all. And then I also have this Men Degree. I love the Degree line. If I had to say that the only women's deodorant type of thing that works would be from Degree. Anything else, Dove, Secret, all of that stuff doesn't really work, but Degree products really work good, and this is pretty good too. Smells, has more of like that musky, strong scent because it's men's again. But this one is for ultra clear black plus white, so if you're wearing like a black shirt, you won't get those deodorant stains. I think this one, no, this one shows up less. This one shows up less than this one. Now moving on to the first aid kit. This is how it looks. I love the packaging, the color and everything. That's what drew my attention to it. They had another one there that said first aid, and it was like a red and white one, but I wanted this one. So this was from Target. They were doing a deal where you can either buy this bag for $5 or you buy 3 of first aid products and you can get the bag free. So that's what I did instead. Just bought 3 products to put in the bag. I will show you guys also what were the 3 products I got, and also more stuff that I added in here myself. And again, this would be my to-go bag that I would leave in the car and have on the go, but I've been leaving it in the house because I've been needing it. So this is how the inside of the bag looks. It has this part right here, a wide long compartment. Then you have 3 separate ones that's in a net, and then you have this last one that zippins open. So starting with this one back here, I have mask in here like this. Like you guys know that video where I was testing out, I think I was testing out Fenty makeup that day, and I had these masks on, so this is what I keep in here. I also have these types of masks. Now this is a cloth mask, a knit cloth mask. You only want to wear this in the winter time, because trying to wear that and when it's heat, trying to wear that cloth in this heat, And then the last thing I have in there are gloves. So I have these types of gloves, and then I have these types of gloves too. Moving on to this part right here, in each of these things I put 2 of these little sample packs of Neosporin, and then 4 2-packs of Band-Aids. And these were the Band-Aids. I bought a box of Band-Aids in one of the, buy 3 get the bag free. So Band-Aids were one of the things that I had to buy. And these are by the brand Up and Up. You didn't have to buy first aid products, at least I don't think, but a guy helped me out, so I don't know. The next thing that I bought to get the bag free was this Benadryl itch relief stick. You need any type of itch cream or stick like this when it comes to these mosquitoes, because they are bad. And I used to always use this particular one when I was a kid. This right here gets on my last nerves. It's so hard to get the product out because of that little net right there, and I remember I had to cut it when I was younger, but I think too much product came out after I did that, so I didn't do it this time. But that was another one that I got. And then the last buy 3 get 1 free, I bought a box of these Band-Aid Johnson & Johnson medium gauze pad. I have a lot of these little alcohol prep pads in here. Benadryl allergies, because I have really bad allergies. Spring, summertime come, I'm sneezing nonstop, eyes watering, itching, so I need these. And these are strong, very strong. I've never had allergy pills or medicine that made me fall asleep after I took them, but these do. And these have 2 tablets in each. The next thing I have in a 2-tablet type of pack is the Tylenol extra strength pills, so you never know when you may have a headache or whatever. The cortisone 10. I'm almost out of this because I have been getting bit by a mosquito, and then a couple of weeks ago I got bit by a big black ant. Never been bit by an ant before like that, and it was a big black one, and it left a mark on my skin, and my skin still looks really bad. Like, it was bruised, thick, and I never had a bite like that before. But I use this on it, and this Cortisone 10 extra strength cooling relief gel. This is so good. Last thing I have in here is, of course, hand sanitizer. So I have this Suave hand sanitizer. So if you guys oh my god, so if you guys need any recommendations on any products that you want to put in your first aid kit, this is the way to go, especially this time and age. You need these products like this. So that is it. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.